We shall use a polyhedral computing platform, POCO, to create a three-dimensional tessellation using as basic module the truncated octahedra. We can color this object in red. Apply. Need to select the object, apply color, and we make a copy. And we color this in green, and we can close the dialog for color selection. Now if we double click on one object, that object is going to be promoted to the default construction module. And to make sure we recognize them, I'm going to rename them as red and green. So we'll start with creating a base using the build operation with a nabla construction. And we unselect this, and we want to see only the selected objects. And now we click on the default module and we have our object. Rename it and center it. And now we can construct the base by adding in nabla mode 3 new objects that are neighboring one of the faces of the original. So this face is the one you can see in the middle. If I change to delta operation, I can visualize the base. Now I'm going to take the red module and using gamma operation I'm going to deploy it on that face. I am keeping the left button of the mouse pressed and I am clicking on the right button until I get the position that I want, and then I finalize the operation. So now you can see that that module is in the middle of the 3 new objects that are added. And now I can use nabla operation to add to the red module 6 new modules using the gamma operation. The nabla operation. Now you can see I can add one more here, so 4 so far. One here. And one more here. And now I can add another structure similar to the green one to fill the spaces inside the red structure. So I'm selecting the green module and I'm adding using nabla operation to the green modules. Now I can simplify this object by applying weld and simplify operations, and this is what we get. So remember, this is a complex using 2 times 4 green modules and 7 red ones. And now you can play with different operations. We go to moving mode, and now we can perform, let's say, double dual. And if we recolor this, we can observe the structure was a little bit changed, but the number of faces, vertices, and edges was preserved. Additional operations can be truncation. This recoloring will lead to something like a similar structure with objects that are a little bit smoother than the original ones. Or you can apply the star operation and you get something like this. After recoloring, we can inspect what was generated.